Do you know how to use the videos Pies en la Tierra from the channel Canal Once in your classroom? Hi, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos Pies en la Tierra from the channel Canal Once in my class. So first, I use these videos only with my advanced levels. So what do the students do? What do we have to do? First, they have to watch the video. As they watch the video, they have to answer the following questions. What is today's theme? They have to write 10 questions with their answers about the video as it goes along. Also, they have to answer in which of the 6 themes of the AP does this video fall in. Then you have to answer, do you have any experience with this theme? And if so, elaborate. And the last one is they have to write 3 web pages that could give you more information about the subject, but in Spanish. All right? Now, what are they going to hand in? They're going to hand in a paper. They're going to have they're going to write a formal greeting. They're going to write in 2 paragraphs all the answers that they wrote. They're going to explain in 1 paragraph what AP theme it falls into and why. And they're going to write a farewell letter. When they hand in the paper, it can be either written or via seesaw. It could be a video, it could be a picture of it, or it could be an audio. Now, I'm going to show you the channel. So when you look it up, you're going to see all this. All right? You see all these different names. You look it up, Empieza en la Tierra, Canal Once, and you'll have all these options. One of the things that I do with them is, for example, the place Ejutla de Crespo, they're going to have to look for 10 facts about Ejutla de Crespo. Also, they're going to have to look up around 10 facts or whatever information you want from Oaxaca. The same would be with the next one, with the Pipili. Just find information about the Pipili so they know what it's all about, or where they're going, or where these guys are going to be at, and write information about Xochimilco. It's however much information you think is worth them knowing. Okay? So again, they have all these options. Okay? That's very, very interesting. Now, for me, what do I consider advanced levels? That would be 4 AP, Language and Culture, 5 AP, Language and Literature, and Spanish speakers, or native Spanish speakers. Now, what are the positives for them watching these videos? Well, they get to hear another voice in Spanish that's not me. They have varied themes, as you can tell, you saw, there's varied themes, they go to different places, and the NGOs are differently themed. They have specific terminology. Each NGO has their specific terminology that these students will probably hear and learn about. They're always educational. They will learn something they didn't know. They'll be exposed to something that they've never seen before. The people are young people just like them. They're just put in different situations. And again, they're going to be exposed to situations and how would they respond. So the student would be asked, hey, how would you respond being put in this situation? You're in a comfortable house in the suburbs or in the city. How would you react being put for a week or 2 in a place that's totally not what you're used to? All right? So this is how I use the videos Pies en la Tierra from the channel Canal Once in my class. I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this was YAMA Culture. And next, let's give our shout outs. Let's see if anybody's in there. Hey, Kevin Johnson. How you doing, Kevin Johnson? Kevin Johnson was an ex-classmate of mine that lives in Arizona. I think he lives in Colorado now. You do, right? Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the cold, and spring break's coming up, I think. I hope that I don't date myself when this video ages pretty well. So anyway, say hi. I'm saying hi to you, Kevin Johnson, and I love your posts. He's also a fellow colleague of ours. He's a docent for history or social studies composite. Anyway, just hi, and hi to all my people from Chicago. Go East, okay? They won the division, not DVC, but they won the division for wrestling. Oh, also the shout out, I want to send a shout out to all my friends from Peru, Chimpun. Hopefully they actually yelled back. So now comments, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any comments, please tell me, please write them down. If you have any questions, hey, ask me. I would love to answer your questions. Suggestions, like if you have any suggestions of how to do the videos or any topics that you would like to hear from me, please write them down. Share if you think this would help anybody. Subscribe to my channel subscribe to my channel. Like, my YouTube channel, obviously. Like if you feel that if you liked it. Go to my YouTube channel. If you need any online classes for Spanish or English, or if you need any translations or subtitles from Spanish to English for videos or documents, you can definitely contact me. All right? So I'll see you when I see you.